Hey everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I'll guide you through how to properly optimize your WordPress blog using Rank Math SEO plugin. So, without wasting a valuable time, let's jump into it. At the beginning, you need to click the link on the video description. Then you'll land to this page. After coming to this page, you need to click on Download for 3 button. Then Rank Math pricing plan page will open. Rank Math offers 3 pricing plans for all of their users: Pro, Business and Agency. The most affordable Pro plan comes at $7.99 per month and allow you to add unlimited personal website, track up to 500 keywords, powerful schema generator, free content AI trial with 5,000 credits. And the most popular business plans comes at $24.99 per month and support 100 client website, track up to 10,000 keywords, powerful schema generator, content AI trial with 12,000 credits, and the most expensive agency plans comes at $54.99 per month and support 500 client website, track up to 50,000 keywords, powerful schema generator, free content AI trial with 30,000 credits. And all of these 3 pricing plans offer advanced keyword rank tracker, comprehensive SEO score, unlimited keyword optimization, and much more options. But if you just start, then Rank Math free plan is the best option for you. To go with the free plan, you have to click on My Account Text, then click on Register Now and create a free account on Rank Math. Once you create your account on Rank Math, then log in to your account. After login to Rank Math account, you have to click on Download button. The Rank Math plugin will be downloaded on your computer. Once the download process is finished, then log into your WordPress dashboard, hover the mouse on Plugins and click Add Plugin. Then click on After Plugin, and after the plugin, which is a download from Rank Math website, and drag and drop the plugin. Once you drag and drop the plugin, then click on Install Now button. Once you finish the installation process, then click on Active Plugin. Then you'll be ready to this page. On this step, you need to connect Rank Math with a free plugin. But you can do this later, so I am going to skip this step. Then you'll be ready to the Rank Math Setup Wizard page. On this page, you will find 3 setup wizards: Easy, Advanced, and Custom mode. But the Custom mode is only available for the Pro user. So I recommend you to go to Advanced and click on Start Wizard. Then click on the drop down box and describe your WordPress website as personal blog, community blog, personal portfolio, business site, web shop, and much more. I prefer to go with personal blog. Then type your website name. If your website have any alternative name, then you can type a name here. And if you want to show a logo for Google, then you can upload this from here. And if you want to share social image, then you can do this from here. Then click on Save and Continue. Now you need to connect Rank Math with Google service. If you connect Rank Math with Google service, then you will get lots of data like impression, click, CTR, average position on your WordPress dashboard. But you can do this later, so I am going to skip this step. Now, Rank Math default sitemap and optimization are the best for us, so I am going to skip these 2 steps. Now we're ready to go with Rank Math SEO plugin. Let's click on Return to Dashboard. Now we're in the main part of our content. Let me show you how we can optimize our blog using Rank Math SEO plugin. At the beginning, we need to open a post or page after installing Rank Math SEO plugin. Once you open a post after installing and activate Rank Math SEO plugin, then you will see Rank Math icon will appear here and click on it. Now we need to paste our focus keyword. But the question can be appear on our mind: what is focus keyword? Focus keyword is the main topic of our content. Let's think, if we search something on Google like Rank Math SEO plugin, that's our focus keyword. When you optimize your post, then you must need to use your focus keyword. So we need to add a focus keyword on focus keyword input box. Then click on Edit Snippet. Then this kind of pop-up will appear on your screen. And we need to fix our title, permalink, and SEO description. Let's think, if you search something on Google, then this bullet text is our title. And this is our URL. That's mean your website post or paste a unique link. And this small text is our SEO description. By using the Rank Math SEO plugin, you can easily optimize your title, description, and URL. Then fix our permalink. When you optimize your title, permalink, and description, then you must need to make sure that your title, description, and permalink doesn't cross the maximum limit. Let's think if you cross the maximum limit, then you'll see this option will be red. Once you add your title, permalink and description, then close this pop-up. And let me fix on the basic SEO feature with Rank Math SEO plugin. First, we need to use focus keyword on our SEO title. Then, we need to add a focus keyword on description and URL. That's mean we need to use a focus keyword on these three places. Then, focus keyword must need to be appear first 10% of the content. Hope you understand this. Then, focus keyword found in the content. Then, content length. Then, expand additional section. First, we need to use our focus keyword on subheadings. Then, we need to use our focus keyword on image alt tag box. Let me show you how we can use an image as focus keyword as an image alt tag. Let's click on settings and then post. Now set feature image. Now drag and drop the image, and on this box we need to use a focus keyword. Then you will see this option will be green. Now we need to link up with external resource. When you link with external resource, then you must need to add a similar website link into your content. Let's think if you are writing a content with Rank Math, then you have to insert a link that is similar to Rank Math SEO plugin. Then you will see this option will be green. Now we need to add some internal link into our content. Then you will see this option will be green. That's all the basic SEO feature of Rank Math SEO plugin. And that is how you can easily optimize your blog using Rank Math SEO plugin. Then publish the post. After optimize your post using Rank Math SEO plugin, you need to submit your website on Google and Bing Search Console. Then you will start to get traffic from Google and Bing search engine. Let me show you how you can submit your website on Google and Bing search engine. First take a new tab and search for Google Search Console. Now open the first link and click on Start Now button and click on URL prefix and copy your website link. And paste the link here and click on Continue button. Now you have 5 different options to verify your website on Google Search Console. You can go with HTML file, HTML tag, Google Analytics, Google Tag Manager, and domain name provider. But the most easy to use way is HTML tag. Let's expand it. Once you expand HTML tag, then copy it and go to WordPress dashboard. Hover your mouse on Rank Math SEO and click on General Settings. Now click on Webmaster Tool and paste the code on Google Search Console box. Scroll down and click on Save Changes. And you need to make sure you don't forget to clear your cache after doing any changes if you are using a caching plugin. Now go to Google Search Console page and click on Verify. Now wait for a few seconds, then you'll see this kind of pop-up and it says your website is verified. Now let me show you how you can submit your website on Bing Search Console. First open a new tab and search for Bing Webmaster. And open the first link and click on Get Started. At first, sign in. You can go with Microsoft, Google or Facebook, but I prefer to go with Google and click on Google. Now click on Google icon and then add a site. Now you have two different options. You can go with Google Search Console or you can go with manually. Let's go with the manual method and paste your website URL here and click on Add. Now you need to verify your website, but with Bing Webmaster Tool, you have 3 different options. You can go with XML file, HTML meta tag, or add cinema record to DNS. But I prefer to go with HTML tag and expand it, copy the tag and go to website same place again, click on Webmaster Tool and paste it on Bing Webmaster Toolbox. Scroll down and save the changes. Now click on Verify button. Then you will see your website will be verified on Bing Webmaster Tool. And this is how you can easily add your website on Google and Bing Search Console. And that's all for today. I hope you found this video useful, and this video will teach you how to optimize your WordPress website using Rank Math SEO plugin. And lastly, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and like this video.